1, 2, 3.
Abi bunun soruları çok kolay ya.
Last rule, if you find the answer in the first tip, you got 3 points. For second tip, you 2 points. I will count the score.
I'm not.
Teşekkür.
I'm not telling you. Ah, okay, good.
Category is NBA stars.
Okay.
He's a movie star and commercial star.
Wait.
No.
Wait, Shaquille O'Neal. No?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Shaq? Shaq is the answer?
Shaquille O'Neal, yes.
Yes.
3 points.
Right answer.
3 points.
3 points.
Let's go. Easy.
Now it's your turn.
Okay. The category is literature. Okay. He's an expressionist.
Okay.
No
Not
guess?
first one.
No guess? Okay. He was born in Prague.
Prague. No.
No? The Metamorphosis was written by him.
First name is France maybe.
Give him tips, extra tips.
Dönüşüm. Sevdiğin yazarlardan.
First name is Franz.
Oh, first name is France.
Yeah.
Say, okay, he said, I said France. It's Franz Kafka.
Ah, good.
3-1.
Good job.
It's categories from coaches.
Coaches? Okay.
Yeah. He won the Supporter Cup with Siena.
Okay.
And
Wait. It's our coach.
it was easy question.
Yeah. There you go.
Next one.
6-1. This is good. Okay. The category is coaches again. As a player, his last team was Beşiktaş. Do you have an answer? No?
Ufuk Sarıca.
Good job.
Perfect. 6-4.
Okay.
It's stars of BCL. These questions are so easy for you, okay? Mine is
We'll
harder
see. We'll
than
see. I might not get it.
He played before in Turkey, Banvit and Darüşşafaka.
Oh, wait. I did a moment.
Yes. Not me.
Good. Turkish basketball legends. It's easy. Should be easy. Okay.
Don't go so like.
He started to play basketball at Fenerbahçe.
Okay, give me one more.
Okay. He had EuroLeague championship in his career.
Euroleague Championship. İbrahim Kutluay.
Say again?
İbrahim Kutluay.
Good job. The third one was he's the idol for Birkan Batuk when he was a child.
Unfortunately.
So of course you know.
9-8 I think.
What? 9-8.
9-8 or 9-6? 9-6, okay.
9-6.
Hayır. No,
There you go.
yeah, it's nice.
Don't cheat.
Okay, this is hard maybe.
Okay.
It's about food.
I'm good with food, obviously.
It's served hotly, you know, hot.
It's served hot?
Yeah, it's served hot.
Is it
Answer.
my answer?
Yeah.
Soup? Okay.
So in Middle Age, they start to cook this in Italy.
Lasagna.
Come on, man, how you know this?
It's my favorite food, lasagna.
7-8. Perfect. Your favorite food, eh?
Yeah. Okay. Turkish basketball legend is the category.
Again?
Again. Okay.
Is the last question you have? No.
No.
Okay.
Okay. He worked with Aydın Ors.
Yeah. He worked with Aydın Ors.
Aydın Ors.
Legend?
Legend.
Mirsat Türkcan.
Nope. Next question. Next
Wait,
one.
wait.
Hey, you only get one.
No.
It's one
No.
question, one.
No. Hido Türkoğlu.
Yeah, good. We'll give him the 3 points for this one.
3 points.
Give
Of
him-
course,
give
3
him the
points.
3 there for that.
11-11.
Last question. I hope
If I don't get this, then he has a chance.
We'll check from.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see.
NBA stars.
Oh yeah, easy.
University of Kansas.
Ooh. Kansas. I didn't watch too much college basketball. Okay, next.
2008 NBA champion.
2008? Okay. Did Paul Pierce go to Kansas?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, no. The answer's not Paul Pierce, right?
Yes, it is.
It is? Oh, wow. Nice.
I'm not gonna say that, but unfortunately. Maybe I should say I don't know, you know?
Yeah, then okay. All right, so if he gets this one, then it's a tie. If he gets it on the first one, it'll be a tie. Okay. Basketball Super League stars.
Okay.
Last three teams before is Anadolu Efes. All right. The last three teams before Anadolu Efes is Hapoel Holon, Varese, and Olympiacos.
It's you.
There you go. Tie.
Die.
Thank you guys.